Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with Pinterest not responding on your PC, you're not alone. Many users encounter this problem, especially after updates. Fortunately, there are several straightforward steps you can take to resolve the issue and get back to pinning in no time. Step 1. Refresh the Pinterest webpage. The first thing you should try is refreshing the Pinterest webpage. Simply click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action can often resolve minor glitches that might be causing Pinterest to hang. Step 2. Close and reopen your browser. If refreshing doesn't work, try closing your browser completely and then reopening it. Sometimes, browsers can get bogged down with too many tabs or processes running in the background, which may affect their performance. Step 3. Restart your device. If you're still having trouble, a quick restart of your device can work wonders. To do this, press the Windows icon on your keyboard. Then click on the power icon. Select Shutdown and wait for about 30 seconds before turning your device back on by pressing the power button. This can help clear any temporary issues affecting your system. Step 4. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Another effective solution is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Start by clicking on the 3 dots in the top right corner of your browser. From there, navigate to More Tools and select Clear Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data. This process removes old files that may be causing conflicts with Pinterest. By following these steps, refreshing the page, closing and reopening your browser, restarting your device, and clearing cache and cookies, you should be able to fix the issue of Pinterest not responding on your PC. If problems persist after trying all these methods, consider checking for any updates to your browser or reaching out to Pinterest support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you enjoy a seamless Pinterest experience once again.